This is my third time doing it, and I do it because I want to get fit and healthy and have a happy life.
I like sports, and I love doing surfing and swimming and cycling and running.
Hey, I'm Pete Jacobs, 2012 Ironman Triathlon World Champion, and I'm here at the Weet-Bix Triathlon, and I just love this sport. It's very near and dear to me, and I can see the smiles on the kids' faces when they cross the line. It's the same feeling I get when I cross the line of a finish line, and it's just such a great sport. It's so great to see them being active and having fun.
I'm Stephanie Gilmore, I'm a professional surfer, and I'm also a Weet-Bix ambassador. And yeah, I'm down here today at the Weet-Bix Kids Triathlon, and these events are so awesome because it's about coming down, having fun, and getting involved in basically just having a good day with your friends and your family, and hopefully you'll walk away with some inspiration to stay involved with physical activity. Yeah, so I'm a professional athlete, and I know the benefits of staying active, and yeah, hopefully, you know, everyone basically comes down here, they have a good time, they walk away with a medal, everyone's a winner, and that's what I love the most about this event.